Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, like this. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, let's find the watch face we want to use. For example, let's say I want to use this one. And once you find the watch face, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you will see the settings icon below it, and you can tap on it to change, for example, the widgets. Like this. And once you're done, you can press the side button to apply the changes. You can also access the watch face menu through the settings. So if you press the side button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, tap on watch face and then tap on watch face again to open the watch faces menu. You can find the watch face you want to use and tap on it to select it and apply it. And also, if your smart band is paired with a phone, you can use the phone application, the Huawei Health application, to change the watch face. So let's move to the side, the band and the stuff, bring the phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. And now let's open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. And the app, first let's open it. So where is it? Here it is. Okay. Here. In the app, you will see the health page. Now tap on the devices, select your Huawei Band 9 from the list of devices, and on this page you should see the watch faces category. If you don't see it, it could be because when you installed the Huawei Health application for the first time and you went through the setup process, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. One thing you can do is to basically reinstall the application and select different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine. Okay, so once you see the watch faces category, tap on more. And here we have two other categories, recommendation and mine. Tap on mine and it will open the list of watch faces installed on your smart band. You can tap on one, tap on set as default, and it will be applied on your smart band. And once you're done, of course, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.